7 mistakes to avoid when you start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is often touted as a simple way to earn money online. And while it is true that you can earn money through affiliate marketing, it is not as simple as many people make it out to be. New affiliate marketers often make many mistakes that can lead to frustration and a lack of success. Here are 7 common mistakes to avoid when starting affiliate marketing. Number 1. Not having a plan. When starting any business, it is essential to have a plan. This is true with affiliate marketing. The plan doesn't need to be complicated. It's a flexible guideline. It's meant to give you focus and something to aim for. A fast way to create a plan is to answer the 5 W's: who, why, what, where, when, as well as how you will market. Consider your budget and expected sales and expenses. Without a plan, it's easy to get overwhelmed and give up. To succeed with affiliate marketing, you need a plan for moving forward. I will cover planning in more detail in another video. Number 2. Not doing research. Many newbies don't do research before they start affiliate marketing. This can lead to a lot of wasted time and effort. For example, it's essential to do keyword research and to research affiliate programs and the products and services they offer to ensure they are a good fit for your niche and target audience. Number 3. Not creating useful content. Another mistake that many affiliate marketers make is not creating helpful content. If you want people to buy from you, you must provide them with valuable information. Creating helpful blog posts, videos, and other types of content is a great way to do this. Number 4. Promoting low-quality products. One of the worst things you can do as an affiliate marketer is to promote low-quality products and services. This will not only irritate your audience but also damage your reputation. Only promote products that you would personally use and recommend to others. Number 5. Not tracking results. If you want to be successful with affiliate marketing, you need to track your results. This includes keeping track of your traffic, sales, and conversions. By tracking your results, you will be able to see what is working and what is not. Number 6. Not building an email list. One of the best ways to succeed with affiliate marketing is to build an email list. This allows you to stay in touch with your audience and promote affiliate products to them on a regular basis. With an email list, it will be easier to make sales. Number 7. Giving up too soon. Many people give up on affiliate marketing too soon. It takes time, effort, and dedication to succeed with this business model. If you're not seeing results immediately, don't stop, keep going. Keep working at it, and you will eventually start to see the success that you are looking for. Please like this video and subscribe.